Hey guys, Builder Consumer, aka every grandmother's favorite grandson, coming to you guys with another video. This one is a little bit different. We're gonna be doing a cooking video. That's right, a cooking video. Look at the flick of the wrist. We're gonna be cooking up using the PF Chang's teriyaki sauce. So stay tuned. All right guys, let's jump right into this. Now, you're gonna have to forgive me if my cooking skills are not up to par. I normally don't do all the cooking, my wife does. So in this video, we're gonna be using the PF Chang's home menu teriyaki sauce that I got from Influnster. You can check out another one of the videos. Should pop up there on the screen for you, and it'll be linked down in the description box. But if you're unfamiliar, here's the box. Like I said in my previous video, I really wanted the Mongolian sauce or the Kung Pao, but I got stuck with the teriyaki, so we're gonna go with it. Like I said, it's from PF Chang's home menu. Now inside the box, they give you a recipe to make teriyaki stir fry. However, I didn't want teriyaki stir fried chicken, so I decided to go with beef. Recipe is pretty simple. You're gonna place the chicken in a Ziploc bag with a half a cup of the sauce. You're gonna let refrigerate for about 4 hours. So we're gonna do that, and of course we're gonna fast forward and come back to it. Heat up a skillet with some olive oil. Of course, for the beef, we're gonna cook it until it's not pink. We're gonna add some other seasonings and spices in there, and I'll get to that. But other than that, it's pretty self-explanatory. I'm gonna be eating it with some brown rice and some broccoli, and this is actually gonna be my lunch for the week. So let's get into the spices. So for my spices, I have some salt and pepper and some onion powder in there. That is about 2 tablespoons. Let's turn this rice down. A couple pinches of cayenne pepper. And a teaspoon of garlic, minced garlic. Gonna throw some sesame seeds on there. And we have a half a cup of teriyaki sauce. So yeah, about a half a cup. All right, that's my spices. So what I plan to do with the spices in the teriyaki sauce is throw this in here with some minced up beef. Got like 2 pounds, not sure the price when my wife bought it. Throw this in the refrigerator and let it marinate. So I'm gonna do salt, pepper, onion powder, minced up garlic, cayenne pepper, dip that up. And while this going, I have a cast iron skillet with a little bit of vegetable oil in it, heating up. Now that's all mixed up. Hopefully you guys can see that. Gonna pour the teriyaki sauce in. Y'all gotta forgive me, I'm in the kitchen, so if you can't see any of this, My bad. So that's all minced up. Throw this in the refrigerator. And we'll be back in a few. We back. It's been about 4 hours. Oh, I wish I could smell that. That smells delicious. Before it was off, went ahead and steamed some broccoli. My rice is done, so that's sitting on the side, fluffing up. But I got my my broccoli sitting here, waiting to join. Oh, look at that. That's heaven. Now, I only plan to cook this about 2 to 3 minutes, or until it's not pink anymore. The beef did soak up a lot of a half a cup of teriyaki. So I'm probably gonna add a little bit more teriyaki while it's cooking here. Oh, that smells good. And then I got a pinch of sesame seeds for when it's done to toss. Man, you need like a smell-o-vision or something right now. If you guys could smell this right now. For the most part, it is about all brown. We're gonna give it another minute or two. And while you're at it, in the comment section, what are some of you guys' favorite Chinese takeout dishes that you guys get when you go to a restaurant? I am lately been on a pork fried rice and egg roll type. That's it. If not that, I get General Chow's chicken. I don't know if you guys can hear my daughter in the background, but she is saying something. So I'm gonna go ahead and fast forward this up so you guys don't have to sit and watch me cook the rest of this, because still got a few pink spots in there. All right, guys. It is all brown. You guys see that steam coming off of there? That's nothing but deliciousness that's gonna be in my belly. Now, it's supposed to be my lunch for the week. I don't know the way it's smelling. This might not make it. Now, while it's still in here and it has some juicers, I'm gonna go ahead and toss this broccoli in there. Just so the broccoli can soak up some of the flavors in there. And then we're gonna go ahead and let that sit for about 2 for 3 minutes or so. And let that broccoli soak up some of those juices. And then we'll be right back. All right, guys, it's been about 2 minutes. Final touch. Hit it with a little bit more of that PF Chang's teriyaki sauce. Pretty good. I think everybody should go out and at least try one of these. Like I said, they have teriyaki, Mongolian, and kung pao, and sesame seed. I think I'll bypass on the sesame seed. What I've seen people with the sesame seed, people's complaints that it has too much sesame seeds. To me, that's about a decent amount of sesame seeds. So let's put some more sauce on it. Mix that all together. Now, somebody might say this looks nasty. Yeah, it kind of does. But it smells heavenly. So what I'm gonna do is take this out, let it rest for a second, and show you guys what it looked like on the plate. That looks pretty delicious to me. It said use that PF Chang's teriyaki sauce. I threw some minced garlic, cayenne pepper, salt, pepper, onion powder, some broccoli and brown rice. That's pretty good. All right, guys, this concludes the video. No, it's pretty much all over the place. I'm in the kitchen, so sorry for the poor lighting and the awkward shots. But I decided to give you guys this quick video using the PF Chang's teriyaki sauce. If you like this type of videos and this type of content, don't forget, like, comment, subscribe, share. Oh yeah, hit that damn bell. Until next time, be the someone who makes you happy. Man, this is good stuff.